Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to this group, Pink Fantasy. And this is a music video to the song Poison. Someone recommended to me. I've never heard of this group as well, so I'm curious to see what Pink Fantasy is going to be giving me. It sounds like a girl group. It sounds like a girl group. Yeah, it's a girl group. Come on, Seance. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Rock? I am in love. Yeah. Ooh. I live for this. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Yes. It is time to mate. Oh, she must embody Snow White. Don't eat the red apple. I love the fact that it's a rock. I love it. I about to say, when we're going to hear from the girl in the mask. I love her energy. She's very captivating. She and her, they're two very captivating. She ate an apple. Bitch. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this group Pink Fantasy. I'd never expect to get a rock band feeling, music infused with pop from this girls. Oh wow. Pink Fantasy first EP album, Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I believe it. That was Pink Fantasy Poison music video. I really do enjoyed it. I never expected that one bit. I didn't expect that. Oh my god. I need to react to the rest of the EP. I need to listen to the rest of the EP. I really do need to listen to the EP. I love this direction for them. I think this genre, this feel of music would do well for the group. Well done. That was Pink Fantasy. Damn, you guys are really giving some good recommendation. It's, some of them are getting blocked and some of them are very boring. I won't tell you which ones, but some of them are very boring that at some point when I reacted to the boring ones, I just get up and walk away, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna post that. That's very rude for me to do that. But this is very entertaining. I really do enjoy this video, so thanks for that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.